What's up, everybody? It's nice and quiet in the car, so I figured I'd do some interior exhaust note sound videos. After a while back, we did an install on the sound deadening, and I've had a few people ask me how well it actually worked because we use like Home Depot house insulation. By the way, you're gonna ignore those lights on my dashboard. I was just harassing somebody else about that. I got a loose battery terminal, and that's what happens. It throws up false codes and stuff. So anyway, when we get out onto and out from behind that traffic that just appeared all of a sudden, we'll do a few shaky wobbly phone pulls because it's hard to do while, you know, filming, and turn the AC off and everything, and hopefully you'll get a good the word I'm looking for is you get a good representation of what the audio sounds like inside my car with the cat back, the muffler delete, and both resonators deleted, with the Lowe's home sound deadening. Now I don't know what it sounds like behind me, or you know, in here currently, but I've been riding third gear basically this entire time. I forgot, so I just got to talking. But once we get out from behind this traffic, I'll do a couple of pulls in different gears so you can kind of hear what it sounds like inside. I warn you now, you're going to hear squeaks and rattles because, well, the entire trim of my car is plastic, as you know, so when I get going at certain speeds, there's like a harmonic resonating thing that happens, and if some of the panels start to make this weird, like, chirping cricket sound. Alright, we'll be back once the traffic clears. Alright, now that we're away from traffic and whatnot, trying to hold the phone still, and we'll do a third gear roll in from 30. But here's a 20 to whatever in second gear.